everyone, how are you today? My name is Cindy Hernandez, and today I would like to talk about something about the trip of the Cocora Valle. The Cocora Valle is a excellent place if you want to sharing family time. So the principal introduction about this is is an excellent place. The visit with your family and very quiet place and great of the natural made so beautiful place. And also, it has a good wine. It's so important. The duration of trip is important this point because well, everyone will know about it. The trip uh, they have a duration about 3 days and 2 nights. Departing directly from the city Armenia to Dio, and in this place you will be to visit around the natural reserves. In addition, you have activities with horse uh, or cabalgata de San well, the transportation is a simple. We recommend in your hotel, or you can take the public transportation. Uh, about the four, well, you can say the transportation public public transportation. Sorry. Well, eh, we have activities, place, and typical food and cost. The activities you do, uh, like I mentioned, the Coca-Cola place, you can do activities with horseback, rides, and streaming in the port, or you can do it with cabalgata, with horse. The place you can spend the night like hotel, and the typical food is so delicious. Is trucha with patacón. It's so delicious. I have experienced this place. Uh, I want to take this trip because the most important is spend time with your family. So thank you for watching. If you want to take this trip, you can call me. Yes. Bye. See you later.